Today I'm going to show you how to properly use a tripod and a monopod. To begin, there are three key parts to both of those: the plate, the head, and the legs. First, I'll show you how to use a tripod. When you set up a tripod, you first want to extend the legs to the height that would put the camera at eye level with your subject. Once the legs are extended, check that the legs are level. Next, you want to attach the plate to your camera by tightening the bolt finger tight. Do not use a screwdriver or a wrench. To put the camera on the tripod, you push the switch out and place the plate on the head and tighten the switch again. To remove, just push down on the trigger, pull the switch out, and lift the camera up. Once the camera is on, adjust the height so now it is still level with your subject's eyes and that it is level with the ground. Now, to the monopod. The initial steps are the same, but this one uses a bit different of a plate. To remove the plate, loosen the bolt on the side and then push down on it. The plate will slide down and then you just lift and pull up gently. Adjust the monopod to the height you need, then attach the plate to the camera. To attach the camera to the monopod, simply press down on the loose bolt, slide the plate up into place, and then tighten the bolt again. That's all there is to it.